Did you know that meal prepping can save you up to 10 hours a week in cooking time? Imagine having healthy meals ready to go with just a little effort. That's right, no more scrambling to put something together or finding yourself at the mercy of takeout menus. So stick around because we're about to make your week so much easier. In today's video, you're going to learn how to create easy and delicious Asian meal prep recipes that will keep you healthy and satisfied all week long. Trust me, these recipes are not only simple, but also packed with flavors that will make your taste buds dance. So grab your apron and let's get started on this tasty journey. Many people struggle to find the time to cook healthy meals during the busy week. I totally get it. Between work, family, and those endless to-do lists, cooking can easily fall to the bottom of the priority list. And let's be honest, when you're exhausted, it's all too tempting to reach for unhealthy takeout or processed foods because they're quick and easy, but that often leads to feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. So, how do we tackle this problem? Meal prepping is the answer. It allows you to take control of your meals and provides delicious, nourishing options that are ready to go when you need them. You'll explore simple recipes for Asian-inspired dishes that are not only tasty but also wholesome. Think stir-fries, grain bowls, and more. We'll discuss tips on ingredient selection, like choosing fresh veggies, lean proteins, and flavorful sauces that can elevate your dishes without taking up too much time. You'll also learn about preparation methods that make cooking quick and enjoyable, such as batch cooking and using versatile ingredients. Picture this. You can whip up a big batch of jasmine rice or quinoa, roast some veggies, and grill your choice of protein in one go. This setup will make assembling your meals throughout the week a breeze. The highlight will be showcasing a step-by-step preparation of a signature dish, a delicious teriyaki chicken bowl. I'll walk you through marinating the chicken, cooking it to perfection, and layering it with steamed broccoli, carrots, and that fluffy rice we prepped earlier. You'll see just how easy it is to create a flavorsome, healthy meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. And don't worry, I'll share some shortcuts along the way to keep things quick and effortless. By the end of this segment, you'll be ready to impress your friends and family with your cooking skills. We'll recap the key recipes and techniques used today, emphasizing how meal prepping can transform your week. Remember, it's all about planning ahead and making your life easier while sticking to healthy choices. You'll find that with just a little bit of time invested on the weekend, you can set yourself up for a week full of delicious meals that keep you feeling great and energized. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other meal prep videos and let me know in the comments which recipe you'll try first. I love hearing from you, and your feedback helps me create more awesome content. So hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's make healthy eating a fun and easy part of our lives together.